I look like Wendy's. No. I know. I look like Ariel, bitch. We not gonna get into that. Oh, I know. I look like Ronald McFucking Donald.
Bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and kick that shit up. Bust down and kick that shit up. Bust down and kick that shit up. Bust down and
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and only Mimi. So today it's all about hot girl season, and I'm gonna do these hot girl crimps. If you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button and that like button if you want to see more of me. Look at me trying to struggle to get this stuff out my hair. You already know YouTube be copywriting, so I'm gonna be singing my own background song, okay? So yeah, I got my Tresemme Keratin Smooth Oil that I'll always use. Is my go-to. I highly suggest you get it. It works, it's cheap, it's affordable, it's no excuse. So I'm gonna just rub that all up in my hair and get started with this heat tool. The heat tool that I'm using is the Wave We Go by Bedhead. Yeah. There's something in this liquor. The air is getting thicker. Oh. And I wanna see you right now. Baby, we can work it out. What did you put in my cup, girl? So yeah, that's me showing y'all the waiver joint right here. It's really good, it's affordable. I almost burnt myself like 5 million times trying to show y'all this shit, but you know, it's all good. I'm just showing y'all the different settings that go on, you know. I'm gonna talk about that a little bit later. I would give you the world, baby girl, you just gotta be worthy. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all how it works right here. You know, I only hold it for about 10 to 7 seconds. And I didn't show y'all the heat settings. It goes all the way up to 400 degrees, but I have it on 375, and this thing gets real hot real quick. So it's the right thing for hot girl season, if you know what I mean. All the design on me, that's on me, baby. That's on me, baby. That's on me, baby. They call me Megatron. For those who are wondering about this hair, it is from SlayByMe.net. Go ahead, purchase yours. Bundle deal starting at $135, and I'm having a sale, so get it how you live. Look at me, almost burning my neck off, but I do it for y'all. I'm trying to show y'all, you know, how it do. I'm trying to be a little hair guru out here, and hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. I tried my best to be in the camera. I just tried my hardest to show y'all what I was doing. I hope y'all appreciate it, man. I should have kissed you. I should have told you just how I feel. And next time, oh snap, there she go. So that's half of my head already done. Look at these crimps. It's crimp girl season. I'm loving it. I'm feeling it. Yes. Ooh, that shoulder. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to show y'all how I do my little baby hair. So I'm using some mousse. You can literally get any mousse that you like. This is just like a kid's mousse. I didn't have the regular one, so I'm just putting that on the baby hairs, and I'm gonna swoop them joints. All right, I don't do too much baby hairs. I wasn't feeling a lot of baby hairs this time, so yeah, I'm just doing this right here in the middle. I'm just swooping that joint, swooping it back into like the hair, make it look all pretty and nice and cute. Don't mind my toothbrush, okay? This is a hair toothbrush. It's all good. I'm the only one who's using it. Don't judge me. Period. Yup, we saw that. So you just gonna leave it right there on your head? Oh, you blended it in? You just wipe you? Okay. You know, get it how you live. Okay, so here I'm just taking my Got To Be Free spray, and I'ma just, you know, that's how I get my lace to melt, even though you can't really see no lace, because bitch, what lace? I know, right? I did that. There's no lace, and if you see some lace, then you looking too hard and you need to back up. So yeah, that's how I get my little baby hairs to stay and not be crunchy. You know, long time ago I used to have some crunchy ass baby hair, but you know, we learn and we live and we fix. Okay, y'all, so I really just want to talk about this little crimper for a minute. I got it from Bedhead. It is the Bedhead, the Wave We Go, and it's the purple one. It looks like this. What attracted me to this one is that it comes in like 3 or 4 or even 5 different modes. And right now I have it on like this tight like wave type of situation, and it goes to define, loose wave, and like a, you know, a tasseled look. And all you have to do is just move this thing right here. You go up. So the further you go up, the more loose your curl is, and the lower you go, the more tight it is. You guys know it's that hot girl season. I need them hot girl crimps, and I think I achieved that look. So I definitely do recommend this hot tool for you guys. Go check it out. It's very inexpensive, and yeah. So I don't know why I didn't end the video, y'all, but subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I love y'all. Bye. Mwah.